Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure RealtyMogul to review crowdfunding investments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure RealtyMogul for reviewing crowdfunding investments, start by visiting the RealtyMogul website. Once there, click on the sign up button if you are a new user. If you already have an account, simply click on login and enter your credentials. After logging in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. In your profile, ensure that all your personal and financial information is up to date. Next, go to the Investments section from the main menu. Here, you will see a list of available crowdfunding opportunities. Click on any investment that interests you to view its details. Take note of important information such as project descriptions, investment amounts, and potential returns. If you want to compare multiple investments, use the filter options available to sort by criteria like location or asset type. Once you have identified a few investments, look for the Save or Favorite option. This will help you keep track of your selected investments for easy access later. To finalize your investment decisions, click on Invest Now for the projects you want to participate in. Fill in the required investment amount and any additional details as prompted. Before confirming your investments, review the terms and conditions carefully. Once you are satisfied, proceed to submit your investment. After investing, check the My Investments section to monitor your portfolio. You can always return to this section to track performance and review updates on each project. If you have any questions during the process, use the Help section or contact customer support for guidance. Taking these steps will help you effectively configure RealtyMogul for reviewing crowdfunding investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.